Mamelodi Sundowns dominated the first half of their CAF Champions League's second preliminary round clash against Mbabane Swallows, heading into halftime with a commanding 3-0 lead. Following their MTN semi-final second leg defeat to Stellenbosch, Sundowns made a significant changes to their lineup. Debuts were handed to Ikram Reyners and Sianda Tiwani, while goalkeeper Ronwen Williams returned from injury. The game kicked off in Sundowns' favor as they were awarded a penalty just 3 minutes in, which Lucas confidently converted after a foul in the box. The early goal set the tone, and 17 minutes later, Musa Libusa extended the lead with a well-placed header from a corner delivered by Rivero. However, Mangoba Mngiti's side faced a setback shortly before the half-hour mark when Atazwane was forced off with an injury, prompting the introduction of Tapelo Maseko. Despite the disruption, Sundowns continued to dominate, and Rainers came close to make it to 3-0 with a killing shot that Swallows goalkeeper did well to save it. Sundowns' relentless pressure eventually paid off just before halftime as Rainers finally found the back of the net, sealing a well-deserved 3-0 lead at the break. Congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns on a strong performance. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.